One new feature in ResaleAI 3.0 is called Team Mode. Now everyone has their own PIN code that they'll use to log into ResaleAI. If I walk up for the very first time today, I'll see my teammates' pictures here who are already logged in and working, and I don't see my picture since I'm not logged in yet. I'll click in the search bar and start typing my name, and it should pull me up and find me and ask me to enter my PIN. If you've never set your PIN before, it'll ask you to set a PIN instead, so you can just set a new PIN and get going really quickly. In this case, it says enter PIN to clock in because we're using When I Work for this example. If you have When I Work integrated, it used to have a clock in and clock out button. Now, it'll clock you into When I Work automatically as soon as you put in your PIN if you're not already clocked in today. If you don't use When I Work, it'll say enter PIN to continue, and everything works exactly the same. I'm going to go ahead and put in my PIN and get going. You can tap the screen or type on the keypad to enter your PIN. I see my picture up here, so I know I'm the one logged in. And now if I take an action like checking off a task or liking a note, it knows it was me that took that action already. This should make things faster and easier as you go about your day. If I'm walking away and I want to log out, I can click this lock button to go back to that home screen so no one else can take any actions as me and someone else could log in with their own PIN. Or if I just stand here for a while not doing anything, it will lock the screen automatically after 30 seconds of inactivity. I'll see a blue countdown timer show up right before it logs me out, so if I don't want to get logged out, I can tap the screen or touch the mouse and it'll stay logged in. So it won't log you out abruptly unless you click this lock icon to go back to the home screen. Now, I see my picture here since I have logged in today already, so I can just click my image and tap my PIN to get logged back in. If you use When I Work and you're ready to clock out for the day, click on your image and then click Clock Out and confirm that you do want to clock out, and you'll be logged out of When I Work. If you need to reset your PIN for any reason, you can go to the team list page, find the employee who needs to reset, click Set PIN, and set a new PIN here. Just make sure you click this refresh button afterwards to make sure it updates, and then your new PIN should work. And that is Team Mode.